Hi everyone, welcome to COD QA meeting, which is happening on February 15th, 2018. So in one of the stand-up calls, we decided that in this QA meeting, we wanted to discuss about the release for the 5.0 release cut, and we can go with that first. So Andy or Zach, I hope Andy's on the call too, right?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay. So from QA, so from the QA, maybe I'll just go with the QA update first. So from the QA side, we are done with the tests, whatever test that we have, and we have built the pods, RCode and ECode. No issues were found. And after that, whatever tests we have for RCode and ECode, we have executed them, and they are going fine. And MCode, we suppose that the Martin's team is running those tests, and they're working towards MWC. And also from QA side, we do not have any other outstanding issues. We have verified all the bugs that have been fixed. Everything looks good. So, and it's good to go from QA side, unless we have any other issues that we want to discuss. So that's the update from QA. Anyone?
Good, that sounds good.
Okay, and I have the blocker list here. Looks like we still have these going.
Suchitra, who do you have with you? And do you have anyone there in Menlo, or
Um,
is anyone in Menlo or Mateo?
I am taking the call from home. Yovang is there from Menlo. Menlo?
Yeah, I'm from home too.
Okay. So if I try to ping people about these items. The 2705, I think Larry converted the document, but I think he was waiting on Jonah to confirm that. I'm not sure. Has that made it in? Because if you click on 2705, I think it will link to the Garrett items in the comments. Have those made it in and been cherry picked back to Cord 5?
I don't know, Suchitra, can you click on the link?
Okay.
Okay, it looks like they made
it has been merged.
Okay.
Did
it get?
It looks that it was cherry picked also.
Okay, but it doesn't look like it was merged to
5.0? Let me check
5.0.
So this is also merged, and these are master.
Okay, so that it needs to just be merged to 5.0. I'm going to just do that because might as well, because they're already in there. Okay, those have been merged to master, and let's go through and mark that one as done. 2705.
Yeah, on master they are published on the guide.
Okay, so let's resolve that as finished. And
should I do that?
Yeah. Okay, and then is Gopi on the call?
Gopi was on PTO today.
Okay, so he had another one, his 2706. I think Luca and I both gave him a +1 on that.
Yeah, well, I have one that is 2704 that is sitting in Garrett, but I don't think it will get reviewed in a reasonable time, so I can change the priority not to be a blocker anymore.
Okay, I'm going to.
So this.
Okay, so
we don't need.
So this one isn't going to make it in, Mateo?
No, it's not.
Okay, so let's move it to the next sprint.
Yeah, I changed the priorities to high.
Is that
so
okay?
Yeah.
All right. And I think maybe from tomorrow it will automatically get moved, right? So I just leave it there.
Okay. And the 2706, I looked, and I just have to wait for it to pass Jenkins, and then I'm going to apply it to 5.0. So you can mark that one as closed too.
Okay.
Okay. So reload the page, and we should be back down to nothing.
Yeah, we don't have any. I just went through some couple bugs. I think the last meeting which we had was on February 1st when we went through all the important bugs that we wanted to fix. And from QA side, we do not have any, but I just wanted to bring one item from this list. Let me just show it to you guys. This one is this is this important from UI side that we needed for this release? It's medium. Wanted to check.
Sorry, what was it?
Service and field labels are malformed in the UI.
So no, I don't think it's needed. So basically, if you look at RCord, but this problem is more visible in MCord.
Okay.
When you have a service that is called like VSG, where the V is lowercase and SG is uppercase, it gets rendered in the GUI as a capital V, SG, lowercase. So I think we can survive with that. Is basically Luca that is complaining about that from a long time. So I decided to create a ticket and assign it to him.
Okay, sure. So I think other than that, there are no any issues from court side, except if you guys see before February 1st in this list above here, if any of you think which are important. Binding VMs to nodes not working, Andy?
This is fixed in master. It doesn't seem like it's a blocker for 5.0 release. So maybe I will, if we do like a 5.1, I will cherry pick it over, but I don't think that we need to worry about it for this release.
Okay. So I think those are the questions that I had from this list. Anyone else has any items? Okay, I just wanted to confirm if there were any important bugs again from the list. So then we went through the bug summary as well. Looks like, yeah, from QA side, we are all done actually.
Great. So I think we're just waiting on a documentation to get merged, and then we can cut it.
Okay, sounds good.
Great.
I guess today, I'm sorry, are you going to cut the release today, end of today?
Probably tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay. Is there anything else you wanted to talk about, Suchitra?
No, I think from my side, that's all. From QA side, there's nothing else to be discussed.
Did you guys, because I'm not going to be around here for the sprint planning, there were a few items that got added to the 6.0 planning document. Could we look at those really quick and try and figure out what we're going to do strategy-wise on testing for 6.0?
Okay. This one, right? Is this?
Yeah. If we go to the bottom of it, go to the bottom of it. I had some comments of doing. So the first yellow line, fixed documentation, I fixed that. I'll remove that. But some of the things that I wanted to do is, I know that the new Jenkins is up, so we have to convert things over to Jenkins Job Builder. And I want to know what do we have a plan for doing that, or and where does that stand on your guys' schedule?
I think we should start doing it if we have the servers. I mean, we have it ready that we can migrate things. Then we can do it. Yeah, we can also add some tasks from our side to help migrate these jobs.
Okay. I have SonarQube ready, and I just need to make a bunch of jobs for it. So that'll probably go along with the Jenkins job builder work. I think because I'm on PTO for a while. I'll be around a little bit, probably just checking email and whatnot. But I'd like to see how that work goes, because I really want to focus on getting our testing stuff really solid and really trustable, so we don't break things when we're committing stuff. And so, yeah, I think I'd like to be involved. So send me email if I'm away about those sorts of things.
And also one more question, Zach, regarding the JJB. Did you already try? You were planning to try one of the job to migrate and then see if everything looks fine or not. So is that already done? And do we have a template?
I have not, but I can work on that in the next day or two before I leave. Okay. Because I'm kind of empty. I've drained my task list other than like a few documentation tasks.
Okay. Yeah, sure. I understand. So I was just curious to see. Then if we have that, then we can start. We'll wait for you.
Sounds good.
And I think I still need to add some generic QA items from our side, from QA side. It's not there in this document, so I'll add them too.
Alrighty, that sounds good. Let's look forward to the release, and we're going to have sprint review tomorrow at I think it's 10 a.m. PT, so same time as this meeting. If there's nothing else, or let's call it and just see everybody at Scrum in a little bit.
Okay. Yeah, we're done from here.
All right. Thanks, teacher.
Thank you. Thanks, everyone. Thanks for your time.
Yeah, thanks all. Bye.